Level 7, Intermediate. The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. The country mouse lived peacefully in the fields, where he ate simple meals of bread, corn, and fruit. One day, his cousin, the town mouse, visited him. After tasting the food, the town mouse laughed and said, "How poor this is! Come with me to the city. There, we eat like kings." The country mouse agreed, eager to see. When they arrived, the town mouse led him into a grand dining room. On the table lay cheese, cakes, meat, and fruit. The country mouse could hardly believe his eyes. He was about to enjoy the feast when suddenly a cat came rushing in. The two mice fled in terror and hid in a dark corner. The country mouse trembled. He said, "Cousin, I would rather eat a crust of bread in peace than live in fear among riches." And with that, he returned to his quiet country life.